Imagine walking into a cozy, autumn-inspired home, where the warmth of the season greets you not just through the colors and scents, but through art that speaks to the heart of fall. On the wall hangs a captivating piece, a wooden board transformed into a pumpkin patch scene, each detail meticulously carved and engraved. The process behind this stunning wall art combines craftsmanship, creativity, and a touch of seasonal magic. It all begins with a vision, a vibrant pumpkin patch nestled under the soft glow of a harvest moon. The artisan selects a sturdy wooden board, often choosing hardwood for its durability and fine grain, which will hold the detail of the carving and the textures to come. The board is cleaned and sanded, ensuring a smooth surface that will welcome the design. A pencil sketch marks the beginning of transformation. The outline of pumpkins, their winding vines, and the surrounding foliage are carefully drawn onto the wood. Each pumpkin is given its own character. Some round and plump, others tall and ridged, each with a unique stem curling upwards. The background hints at rolling hills, tufts of grass, and perhaps a distant barn, setting the scene for the autumn tableau. Once the sketch is complete, the true artistry begins with the use of Carbide burrs. These specialized rotary carving tools are chosen for their precision and ability to create varying depths and textures in the wood. The artisan starts by outlining the main shapes, tracing the contours of each pumpkin and vine, gently pressing the burr into the wood to carve a shallow groove. With steady hands and careful control, deeper cuts are made where shadows would naturally fall, bringing a sense of dimension and realism to the scene. Texture is key to capturing the spirit of a pumpkin patch. The surface of each pumpkin is carved with delicate ridges, the carbide burr gliding along to mimic the natural lines and bumps found on their skin. The vines are engraved with a twisting motion, adding lively movement to the composition. Leaves are etched with intricate veins, their edges slightly raised to catch the light and suggest crispness. Layer by layer, the artisan works across the board, switching between different burr shapes and sizes to achieve the desired effect. Ball-shaped burrs create soft, rounded depressions, while pointed burrs allow for sharp detailing in leaves and stems. The background is textured more lightly, giving the illusion of distance while keeping the focus on the foreground pumpkins. After hours of carving, the board is brushed free of dust and the scene begins to truly emerge. The depth created by the varying levels of engraving invites the eye to travel across the patch, discovering new details with every glance. To enhance the contrast, some artisans might apply a gentle wood stain, accentuating the carved recesses and lending warmth to the overall piece. A clear sealant protects the work, ensuring it lasts for seasons to come. Hanging on the wall, the engraved pumpkin patch becomes more than just decor. It's a testament to the slow, deliberate craft of wood carving. The play of light and shadow across the textured surface creates a dynamic display, changing as the day passes. Visitors are drawn in, compelled to run their fingers gently along the ridges and grooves, feeling the story of autumn carved into wood. This art piece, born from a simple wooden board and transformed with care and creativity, captures the essence of fall. It celebrates the harvest, the beauty of nature, and the enduring appeal of handcrafted work. Whether displayed in a family home or given as a thoughtful seasonal gift, an engraved pumpkin patch on wood brings the spirit of autumn indoors, inviting warmth, nostalgia, and appreciation for the artistry behind every carved detail.